while we're waiting for the Ford dealer to finish up their work, let's go check out a little more of Amarillo.
Living in a van down by the river, singing loud. No ties, no change, just the rolling clouds. Freedom tastes real sweet when you're nothing to give. Living in a van down by the river's where I live, where I live.
Looks like we've had some rain. Well, we saw the world famous Cadillac Ranch yesterday. Today, we're going to go check out something similar, but a little further down the economic scale. Definitely just as iconic, the Slug Bug Ranch by the Big Texan. We're going to get lunch at the Big Texan Steakhouse, and we're going to enjoy the Slug Bug Ranch. And the Slug Bug Ranch actually looks a little better developed, so we're going to check that out. Well, I'm not in the rental car right now. The rental car is parked. I'm waiting for the dealership's courtesy driver to come pick me up. I'm going to hold on to the rental car until tomorrow. I'm picking the camper up, and we're going to drive that camper around today and see if I can't get it unhappy. So a little back and forth, hither and yon, and if it doesn't barf on me today, I'll feel confident enough to take off, head back to Houston with it tomorrow. If it does barf on me, I'm going to call a friend of a friend, have it towed over to his shop, and I'm going to make flight arrangements back to Houston tomorrow. Either way we go, I'm leaving Amarillo tomorrow to go back to Houston. Is that parking? That's parking. Quite a bit different from Cadillac Ranch, but still the same. There's paved parking, and there's the cars. So the friends I grew up with know that I'm a bit of a Volkswagen aficionado. For some reason I just really like the old air-cooled VWs. There's not a lot of these cars left. And as I understand it, this was set up in 1974. So we've got 4 Beetles here. Not much left of the pans. And you can see the rust holes. I mean, that's why they gave up on these cars. That's a late 60s, early 70s model from that rear fender. Guessing, anyway. I don't know what these big cylinders here are. And you can tell by the amount of spray paint that's on these. This hasn't been around as long as Cadillac Ranch. You're gonna see we've got limousines here. Ah, more Beetles. I guess I should have come out with my own can of spray paint. Oof. I don't know if those were done before they were buried in the ground or after, but wow. So those limousines there, Texas horns on them, longhorns. That's funny. Yep. Somebody spray painted Swiss cheese. Okay to spray. Cars, silos, not okay to spray. Plants, sidewalks, signs. Yeah, well, people didn't do that. Free Burma? Okay, didn't know Burma needed to be freed. That looks like a Lincoln. Okay. It's the kind of limousine that my late brother-in-law used to own that they used for my wedding to Debbie. More Lincolns. More Lincolns. I love the Longhorns. They're cool. That looks like it was a Cadillac. I'm not sure what that was. Probably Cadillac, 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 and then Lincolns. Okay, easy start. Well, that's it for the Slug Bug Ranch video. I was checking the runtime on here, and I think I want to keep these under 10 minutes. So we're going to cut this into a part 3 and a part 4 most likely. So we will see you on the next one. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching my video. If you like what you saw, please be sure that you click like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and share my video with your friends and family. Please be sure you go back and check out the older videos in the archive. There's some great stuff in there that I'm sure you'll enjoy. And if you'd like to support my work, please be sure to visit us at wildersportoutdoors.com and buy some merch. There's some great stuff there, and it'll go a long ways to help us out. All right, that's it. That's the video for today. Stick with us, and you'll catch the next one. And like I always tell you, get out there, be productive, be safe, but most of all, be blessed. I'll talk to you later.
But here by the